Good morning, Year 4. Your maths learning today is consolidating your knowledge of tenths, and you are writing tenths as decimals and on a place value grid. So a quick revision of what we did yesterday. We are going to count the number of counters in the tenth column, and we're going to work out what our decimal number is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, I know I can't have 11 counters in any of my columns on a place value grid, so I'm going to exchange 10 of my counters, 10 of my tenths, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to replace them with one whole because 10 tenths is equivalent to one whole. So my place value grid now shows 1, 1 and 1 tenth. So my decimal is 1.1. Let's try another one. In this column we've got 4 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18 tenths. Now I can't have 18 tenths, so I'm going to cross out 10 again because 10 tenths make one whole. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I have 8 remaining. So I'm then going to replace my 10 tenths with one whole. So now having a look at my place value grid, what do you think is the decimal number shown? If you've got the answer 5.8, you are correct. And finally, here is one for you to have a go at yourself. Thinking about exchanging, if we have more than 10 in each column of our place value grid, what would the picture below show? What decimal? Okay, your tasks today then. For silver, you are going to be answering questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 1, you are telling me what the decimal represents in the place value grid. Question 2, you are drawing the counters to represent decimals. Question 3, you are thinking about if you have 8 counters and you can put them in your ones column or your tenths column, you need to think about the smallest number you could make, the greatest or biggest number you could make, a number that is bigger than 3 but smaller than 4, and the closest possible number to 5 using only 8 counters. So there are 4 answers I would like from you there. And then question 4, Tommy has made a number on a place value chart. What number has he represented? And question B, how could he have represented this differently? So thinking about exchanging in that question. Okay. For gold, question 5 I'm going to give you an example for. Complete the number sentence to match the place value chart. So here I have the decimal number 3.4. So in my number I know there are 3 ones and I know there are 4 tenths. So 3 ones add 4 tenths is the same as 3. Add 4 tenths, which makes 3.4. So have a go at question 5 for me, A and B. Question 6, drawing counters to represent each number. There are 3, there's 1 there as well. And question 7, you are matching up the written numbers to the place value chart. And finally, question 8, a bit of reasoning. 6 tenths added to 4 tenths makes 10 tenths, which is a whole. Let's show that here. 6 tenths add 4 tenths tenth, which is 1 whole. So how else could we make 1 whole using tenths? Thinking about that question. Finally, for your platinum task today, this is on a separate document that I've attached to your email, and it's on the website as well. You are reasoning and problem solving for platinum, so you're thinking about which is the odd one out. So we've got different representations of tenths using words, using fractions, decimals and place value grids. So you need to work out which one is the odd one out and explain why. Okay, and then the next 4 questions are a bit of problem solving for you. Any problems, please feel free to email me. I'm happy to help if you require any further modelling or guidance.